This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish cakes with canned salmon. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cans of salmon, about 6 ounces each, along with 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 egg, and some seasonings. Make sure you have a mixing bowl and a frying pan ready. This recipe is perfect for a quick, satisfying meal that's both economical and incredibly tasty. Now, let's prepare the salmon. Open your cans and drain the salmon very well to remove any excess liquid. This helps prevent soggy fish cakes. Transfer the salmon to a bowl and flake it with a fork. Then, add 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs and 1 beaten egg. Mix everything together, incorporating your chosen seasonings like a pinch of salt, pepper, and a teaspoon of fresh dill. Next, it's time to form your fish cakes. Take about 2 tablespoons of the mixture and gently shape it into small, flat patties, roughly 1 inch thick. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Carefully place the patties in the hot pan, ensuring not to overcrowd it. Cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Your delicious salmon fish cakes are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm with a fresh lemon wedge for a bright, zesty kick. They pair wonderfully with a crisp green salad or a homemade tartar sauce. These versatile cakes are great for lunch or a light dinner. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to make your life easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.